Guys, a quick rundown of my sub panel install for my solar, which this is made for running an outlet from a electrical panel at your house to a shed or some remote place. But anyway, this is my panel. I got it wired up here. Got some conduit, and that's my power inverter, and this is solar. So we ain't got to worry about the Romex being run into conduit. It's a short run, and it's going to terminate right here at my 3,000 watt power inverter, right down there. And the cable's going to drop down through this conduit here. I gotta get another one of these brackets to go on this one here to hold it. I got everything screwed in, locked in here and here, and I got another one here that's going to run an outlet over here on this wall here for another device. But anyway, we got our neutral, white neutral to our neutral ground. Well, not neutral ground, but a neutral bus bar. And we got our black hot jumped from this lug over to this lug, here. That way I can access all 6 breaker slots, because it's designed for a 220 connection, and we're not doing a 220 because we're using solar. This is just simply solar. There's no grid power coming into this box, so no need for all the extra precautions. It's just a 3,000 watt power inverter that's coming in here, and you can do the math on volts. 3,000 watts equal how many volts. You can do that math on that to find out what it is, but it's not that high because everything I'm running is 12 volts. And this is the rest of my solar setup here. And those are my batteries down there.